The market is selling off. Dow drops nearly 900 points. Wall Street falls sharply for a second day on coronavirus fears. So we've seen a big sell-off in the market in the last 2 days. I've been getting a lot of DMs, a lot of messages. People are asking me, what am I doing? Am I selling my stocks? Am I liquidating my whole portfolio? In today's video, I'll be talking about my Robinhood portfolio, my M1 Finance portfolio. I'll be going over everything that I bought for my dividend investing. Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Bruce Wang, and what a time to be alive. My portfolio has been taking a gigantic hit. I probably lost over $2,000 in my entire portfolio in the last 2 days. So a lot of my gains has been wiped out, but I'm still investing. Let's check out the Robinhood portfolio. So if you're brand new to the channel, welcome to the Wang Gang. Welcome to the Bruce Wang channel. If you guys are brand new, I invest $600 every single week into my portfolios, and now I'm going to up that to $700 a week. That is $100 every single day. 350 or 300 will go into the Robinhood portfolio, and 350 will go into the M1 Finance portfolio to keep that kind of even there. And this is my high dividend yield portfolio on Robinhood. $6,951.42. So when I first see that my portfolio is down almost $500, at first, I'm kind of scared. I'm kind of feeling, what is going on? Am I going to lose a lot more in value? So now if I think about this logically, I'm able to buy a lot of the stocks that I own at a discount. And that's what I've been doing the last 2 days. Let's take a look at the weekly charts here. I'm down $821 on the month chart. Basically, all my gains has been wiped out for the month. I'm down $300 on the 3-month chart. I'm still up. On the 1-year chart, I'm up 1,308%. And the all-time chart here, I'm seeing very similar returns. So just to get some stuff off the bat here, I'm not a penny trader. I'm not a day trader. I'm a long-term investor investing in high-quality dividend stocks. The best thing you can probably do right now is just not stare at your portfolio at all. If this is making you panic and making you want to sell, then I think that the best thing you can do is just stay off of your phone. So last week, I didn't update you guys with the Robinhood challenge, and I just took a impromptu break. Had some friends come over from Cambodia. That Cambodia video will come out soon. Retiring in Cambodia or being an expat in Cambodia, something like that. Yeah, that's coming soon. But basically last week, all I did was just buy ExxonMobil, and on M1 Finance, I just had the auto invest on, and that's where my $600 went. So this week, I bought $100 worth of ExxonMobil with my fractional share buying, and I bought 1.75 at $57. So with the other $200, I bought Walgreens. I bought 4 shares of Walgreens at $50 yesterday. Walgreens is a stock that I've been slowly accumulating over the last 6 months. I have 14 shares at $52 average cost. Equity is still under $1,000, so I don't own that much of Walgreens. I'm slowly building up all of these positions in these high-quality dividend stocks. And right now, I'm starting to get really excited when it comes to the stock market. Everything that I've been buying and everything that I want to buy is at a very steep discount. And I think that the markets are still, we're going to see a downtrend, I believe, and we're seeing a downtrend right now, exactly in the last 2 days. So I believe that Walgreens is very undervalued right now, and I will be accumulating more and more shares throughout the weeks, throughout the months. When it comes to my entire portfolio, I'll be taking a closer look to everything that I own. I think it would have been a very great idea if I started saving up a lot more money, loading up on that cash reserve so I can implement it right now, especially since I have the Robinhood card. It's somewhere around here. Especially since that I have the Robinhood cash management system. I'm seeing a 1.8 interest rate on all the cash that I have in this cash management system. So I wish that I saved up more money. I'm going to be putting in a decent amount in this week and probably later on in the month, because Dips like this don't come often. The last time that my portfolio was down this much was May 31st of 2019, and before that was December 24th of 2018. So if you guys are brand new and haven't been through any of these downturns or any of these like corrections, then you guys might be panicking. You guys might starting to feel really scared at the moment. I'm not going to sit here and tell you guys that I know exactly what's going to happen in the market in the short term, but I believe that in the long term, as long as you own high quality stocks, that the stock market will go up yet again. I just recently watched this really great interview by the great Warren Buffett. This is a 2-hour interview by CNBC, and if you guys want a master class in investing in the stock market, then you guys have to invest 2 hours into watching this. It is a great interview. It really, brings back everything into the fundamentals of investing. And, it also talks a little bit about how the coronavirus will affect the market and stuff like that. So go check out this interview if you haven't seen it already. But yeah, Warren Buffett, he is the CEO of Berkshire Hathaway, and he is a GOAT when it comes to investing in the stock market. For the third stock that I bought this week, I got a dividend payment of around $4.51. So I put that into Pfizer as soon as possible. And I bought Pfizer at $35, but it was just a really small amount, 0.128, so on and so on. Pfizer is another undervalued stock in my opinion. Right now is undervalued, but everything is, like I said earlier, everything's at a discount. You have to really look at the markets to figure that out. But total return so far is at a negative $45. That is not including all of the dividends that I've received. I really wish that there was a way that we can see the dividends from the companies that we own here. In the last few months here, I've seen $18 in dividends from Pfizer. So in summary of the Robinhood challenge, I increased my annual dividends this week by $15.81 with the following purchases in ExxonMobil, Walgreens, and Pfizer. So now let's take a look at what is going on with my M1 Finance portfolio, because everything is going crazy right now, and I'm really excited. So if you guys want to see my entire portfolio, to see what I'm buying every single week, links are going to be in the descriptions. And don't forget to leave a like for the YouTube algorithm. It really helps out the video and helps out the channel. So if we take a look at M1 Finance, my portfolio is sitting at $10,000 and $10,769 total gain. So for today, on the day, is negative $258. So not too good. But overall, I'm still up marginally. I'm still up. Earned dividends is at $141. When it comes to the entire portfolio, the only thing that's been holding up here is bonds. So I have a 15% of my entire portfolio is allocated to bonds. BND here, the Vanguard Total Bond Index, the saving grace for my portfolio right now. That is why my portfolio is not tanking harder than it is. But my bonds are only protecting like 15% of my entire portfolio. Everything else, as you can see, is in the red. So in the last 2 weeks, I've only gotten like a few dividends here and there. But what I wanted to show you was my purchases for the middle of last week on the 19th. 24 buys here at $305. This is everything that I bought on my M1 Finance portfolio. And this week, earlier today, so on Monday, this is what I bought, 33 buys at $301.32. So when it comes to the M1 Finance portfolio, I'm not going to be doing anything crazy here. So when it comes to the M1 Finance portfolio, very similar to my Robinhood portfolio, everything is going to be kept the same. I try not to do too many changes to the portfolios here. And I'm going to be buying everything on a discount yet again. So every single week now, I'm throwing in an extra $100 so I can get that $100 invested every single day tag on my channel here. So my entire stock portfolio is down over $2,000. Basically, everything that I invested this week was completely wiped out. So that's obviously not a good feeling, but I was able to pick up a lot of stocks that are on a discount. So right now I'm really excited, and I get a lot of questions on how I pick the stocks that I do pick. Simply Safe Dividends is a website that I've been using for extra research and to make sure that the dividends of the companies that I own, of the businesses that I own, pay a relatively safe dividend here. So a lot of these companies may be undervalued, and I take a close look at this every single week to make sure that I'm buying undervalued businesses, and I pick them up. Here's a quick snapshot. If you guys don't have Simply Safe Dividends, they do a 2-week free trial that you can obviously take full advantage of. I really recommend that you guys do look at that if you guys have no idea what is going on in the stock market right now. So the key takeaway for this video is try not to panic too much, try not to have too much fear and too much emotions when it comes to your stock investments. When it comes to the media, try not to pay too much attention to it because there's a lot of titles out there, there's a lot of headlines out there that tries to scare you, try to make you panic. These companies, they're trying, they're a business as well, and they're in the business of getting views. Just make sure that you are investing for the long term and you kind of know what you're trying to accomplish here in the long scheme of things. So if you guys want to watch more videos from me, don't forget to watch these videos here about dividend investing, real estate investing. If you haven't followed me on Instagram already, go follow me on Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content just like this. Hit that notification, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Also, if you haven't followed me on the Wang Gang channel, go follow me there. I post there as much as I can weekly. So stay tuned, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.